on all things Apple. I drop tested the Nokia 1015. It fared quite well, and it was actually survived the drop test. Today on all things Apple, Microsoft Lumia 435 Teardown. That video is coming up right now. Guys, all things Apple here, and I have the Microsoft Lumia 435 in black. It is broken, and I believe it does still work. It's completely and utterly broken, or it's run out of battery. Yeah, it's run out of battery. So yeah, let's start the teardown. First, like the Nokia 1015, you take the back off. Then you take the battery out. I've already removed the 4 screws here, so I can just take the back off straight away. Once you've got the back off, which I have now, you take the loudspeaker out. It's actually the same type of speaker that's in the Nokia 3310, that's in the Nokia 1015. Out. Nah, I've got no chance of getting that out. I've got no chance of getting that piece of crap out. Those speakers are actually quite bad, but they're good for phones like this. Now, once you are with this, undo these little Lego connectors. Get the battery connector or camera, and then lift the logic board out and place it down here. This rubber thing protecting the front facing camera and the ambient light sensor should come out with it, and then take this. There would be an earpiece on this phone, but there isn't one because it's got destroyed. Because I did other teardowns of it, and the flashlight just turned off because it sensed that it was bright enough to do the video without it. And then once you get to this point, remove the LCD. You can, because if you damage it, there's no going back. Then place it there, and then you've got the digitizer, which is this thing here. So there would be the earpiece speaker and the loudspeaker. I couldn't get the loudspeaker out, and the earpiece speaker is not here. So now I will show you how to put it all back together again. Like the Nokia 1015, just follow what I did in reverse order. I will show you. Put the LCD back in, then put the metal plate back in, which can have a detrimental effect on the device's performance. If it is absent, I think I just did that wrong. The LCD after telling you guys not to do it. It doesn't matter. This phone is just strictly for this particular purpose. Okay. Yeah. Then that's gone in. So now you've got LCD and the digitator and the metal plate. Now get your logic board. Now get the logic board and do the connectors down again. There we go. And it should look like this. It should look something like this. And then put this bit back on. Oh, and if you decided to take the loudspeaker out, because you could get it out, put the loudspeaker back in. Then put this back on. Then put the battery back in. That's probably why it didn't work. The battery connector's damaged. But anyway. Put the battery back in, and then put the back on. It is obviously not going to work. Now I know why it wasn't turning on. But still. That is how you tear down. That is the teardown video of this device complete. Next time on All Things Apple, I get loads of cases and show you them all.